The overall goal of the following experiment is to demonstrate a reproducible protocol for S. pneumoniae cardiac microlesion formation within the heart of infected mice. This is achieved by infecting mice with S. pneumoniae and allowing the development of bacteremia, thus giving bacteria access to the cardiac vasculature where they can invade the myocardium and form microscopic lesions. Then the hearts are either paraffin embedded and stained conventionally or fixed into OCT compound for immunofluorescent staining. Evaluation of the stained sections can show cardiac microlesions randomly distributed across the myocardium, collagen depositions in convalescent mice heart sections, and pneumococcal capsules within the cardiac microlesion.
Demonstrating the procedure is Armand, a graduate student in my lab.
Though this method can provide insight into the cardiac damaging effects of S. pneumoniae during invasive pneumococcal disease in mice, it can also be applied to cardiac samples from other systems, such as non-human primates or humans.
Begin with growing up the S. pneumoniae serotype 4 strain Tiger 4 in Todd Hewitt broth to an optical density of 0.5 at 620 nanometers. When at the correct density, pellet the culture at 3500 G for 10 minutes. Then remove the supernatant using a vacuum line and resuspend the bacteria with sterile PBS at 10,000 colony forming units per milliliter. Now, anesthetize 10 to 12 week old BALB C mice and confirm their anesthetized state with a